We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, technology package, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.